Hey guys, let's see how to set up alarms for the Tapo C210. It's super simple. I have the camera already working here. It's pointing to the window so I can have some motions there and test the alarms, alright? So you just need to come here to the settings and here have the options to enable the alarm. It's off right now. I can just come here, enable the alarm, and then I can choose the type if I'm going to use sound and light. You see here, the alarm goes off. So I can come here and select, let's say, just light, right, for a while. So there's a light flashing there. So there's no this annoying sound while I'm explaining here. So you can just select here detection alarm, the type, light right now, duration, so the default duration here, and you can also have a custom duration for 5, 10, 30 seconds or some other custom duration here. I'm just go back to the default, so you have the duration here, and also event type. You can have an alarm going off for motion detection, for person detection, camera tampering, which is when somebody blocks the camera. Let's say they put their hand in front of the camera to block the camera. So this is tampering. You can have an alarm for this, or baby crying, because there's a microphone in the camera and then can detect a baby crying and trigger an alarm, right? Just select the event that you want. And here you can also have the schedule for all day or during the day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. during the night from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. or a custom schedule where you can select here the weekdays that you want and also when it starts and when it stops. So very simple. You just come back here. Let me just put here all day. And now I'm going to explain something very important, okay? That's the motion detection. When you have the alarm working, you just need to come here and check the detection. Just make sure that you have the detection zone working and you have motion detection enabled. You see here that's on. You can just adjust the sensitivity here. If it's all the way down, it's not gonna work because here it's in 1. It comes from 1 to 10, all right? So I'll leave usually here on 6. That's the default, but you just need to test which works better for you. You can approach the camera or have somebody moving in front of the camera and see if the camera is recording by motion detection. As long as the camera is recording by motion detection, it's going to work with the alarm as well, right? So just come here and check the motion, the person detection as well, the sensitivity, and back here the camera tampering, it's off right now. And you see here that's off, and baby crying is off as well. So if I come here again to the alarms, you see that I have here event type, I have here camera tampering enabled, but it's not gonna work. So the alarm type is ready for motion, person, and camera tampering, but camera tampering is not enabled back there on the detection menu, right? So I just need to come there if I want to use that feature, and here on the detection I just need to enable camera tampering here, okay, and adjust the sensitivity as well. Just be aware of this, otherwise it's not gonna work. Okay, super simple. Let me just come back there to the alarm area and enable sound, and you can check that I can change the type of sound as well. It's a little bit annoying, but I can just come here and change to sound and light. So it's going to work with both. And here you see that I have sound type. So I can change the volume to low, normal, or high. I have it low right now. It's not the high here internally, but if I put like normal or high, you can hear it. There we go. Some motion in front of the camera, and then you can hear the alarm, right? Low, normal, high. And there's the sound, the default or the custom. Here you can just record the sound, name the sound, and you can use this sound instead of the regular siren that you have here, okay? So back here, it's the default, and you can test here the sound. You have the default that is a siren, so you can just click here to test. Wait for it to finish. Then you can test the other one here. Now it's going off because there's some motion there. Here I can test the emergency. That's the sound. And the red alert. There we go. Let me just change here to normal so you can hear that the volume changes. Let's wait for it to trigger. There's some motion there. Let me just press here so you see better. There we go. Louder now. Emergency. And red alert. Okay, so it's working. Let me just bring back here to low. And it's working, okay? So super simple. Just remember that you just need to set up the detection the way you want. Then the alarm you can set up the way you want with the schedule, with the type of alarm and everything else, okay? So it's working and always recording everything here as well. When you come back to the main screen, you can enable and disable the alarm from here as well. There's a button here to quickly enable or disable it. And here you have the playback and download that you can check your recordings. Okay, so you have the recordings here. You can check. And it's a good idea to check the recordings to see if the motion is working back there. Then the alarm is going to work as well, right? Super simple. That's basically the way that you can have the alarm working on a Tapo C210 or any other Tapo camera. They work similarly and you can just set it up like this, okay? I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.